to spend it than doing some driving. It is about time, guys. We're gonna have some fun today. We are here in Utah at a place that we call the Flats, otherwise known as Slate Canyon. And yeah, we've got some fun trails everywhere. I've been here a couple times, quite a few times in other people's Jeeps where I wasn't doing the driving, but now it's time to find out what this guy can do. That's what we've been waiting for, so I'm super pumped today. Don't have a lot of off-road experience, but I've come here, I guess, twice, actually, with this Jeep doing driving. That way I'm not a complete rookie on camera. And also try and get in a couple sick climbs, because, you know, that's what gets the adrenaline pumping. That's probably what you guys want to see. Got the GoPro set up inside the car. We'll also do some outside clips and stuff, and yeah, should be good. Let's do it. Alright, so the way this can go, I'm honestly just going to do some exploring. There's a lot of trails in here. So yeah, we'll just kind of go explore around, get a couple climbs in. We'll just kind of have some fun and wing it here. Let's do it. Okay, so we've come to our first steep descent right here. The video probably makes it look flat, but it's actually pretty steep. Like this is level right here, and we got to go down there. So yeah, difficult to see when you're in the Jeep and it just kind of drops off and all you see is the hood. But yeah, that's what we're looking at. That thing looks sick up there. Yeet. Yeah, so this is where we're gonna be coming down right now. So I just want to get outside and kind of take a look. Just make sure we're lined up. It's got erosion here from water, so you kind of want to keep your tires on the outside of that. Let's get it done. Alright, here we go. So it's tough because I want to stay over here where the ground isn't eroded on the left side. But at the very end of the descent, there is a large rock. So I basically have to stay left as long as I can, and then the last second turn right. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Whew. Not a bad view. Alright guys, we are first going to go down the gnarly little section here. And then we're going to turn around and come back up. Let's do it! All right, boys. That was interesting. So this section right here, as you can see, I kept getting stuck. And then that last time, I haven't watched the film back yet, but I just kind of had to send it and not give up. So we made it to that point, and then I thought I was done and couldn't make it up the last little section to get to the top. Because for some reason, I just would start spinning out in the little dip, which is right here. It's not even that big of a dip, although this is pretty steep, and it actually goes, so there's the dip, and then it goes to pretty steep. It gets like a way steeper, just that little transition there. For whatever reason, I couldn't get up. Here. That's always a rough time when you can't get up. So I'm wondering if, so I couldn't make it the first time, and then I decided that the plan was to go to the right this time, to come up here where the camera was. But then last second I decided, when I was looking at it and I got closer, I'm like, this looks way easier to go to this side, and it still was super rough. But we made it up, and I can turn around there if I want and then just go over there. I wonder if I should try it again and go up this right side. But I'm gonna watch that film back. I wanna see what it looked like. Because hopefully it looks sick, because it felt sick. It was a little intense. And I can't get over the views up here. They look good. It's dope. So I just watched the film back on that last little climb there, and we were definitely doing some flexing, man. Jeez, those two axles, front and back, they were going in different directions. I'm thinking disconnecting the front sway bar would have helped a lot. I've never done that before, but if I'm gonna do it again, I think I'll try that, because when we got to this part here, and both axles were doing different things, I basically had one tire making contact with the ground in the front and one in the back. So that's why we were spinning, and yeah. I don't know if I'll try that again, this one again in this video, but maybe I'll try and disconnect those and do that climb again another time. All right, so I don't know what's going on with the GoPro, but it keeps dying. The battery must be toast, because I literally charged last night, and it just keeps shutting off, so that sucks. Hopefully I've got some good clips. If not, I'm gonna be sad. But we're doing this, I guess we'll call it the middle climb. It's a lot more chill than the first climb we did. And there's two parts to it. This section is really nothing, but then once we get up there, it's a little more interesting. We've already done the downhill of it. I think I showed you that. But yeah, I guess I'll just give you a point of view while driving up it, which probably isn't the safest thing to do, but I'm doing it for you guys. So got it in 4 high. Let's get this thing going. It's so bumpy. To the right here, we've got to line up with the middle eroded part. Look at that, that's sick. This climb's so fun. Start at the left, work your way over to the right, stay in the center. This part gets interesting. Get back to the left. And that's that. Super fun. This Jeep's a trooper. Okay, so this is the third and final one we'll do today. A little more serious than the last one, not quite as serious as the first one. You know, I think I did these out of order. Anyways, yeah, this one's pretty steep. Not too rocky or anything crazy. Well, actually, it's a little rocky. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so that one was a lot more steep than I remembered. Yeah, that was kind of nuts. I just basically had to spin the tires to get up because I didn't want to start over. Yeah, I think I've done that one once before, and I think I must have just done 4 low actually. So that seemed a little more difficult than the first time. But anyways, that was fun. Alright guys, so that is a day of some off-roading in the TJ. Thing's a beast. We beat the crap out of it today. This is a little interesting place I one time discovered. Check this out. Probably a lot of things that have happened here. Oh my goodness gracious. It's like someone's jacket. It legit is like a sport blazer, like a sports jacket, like a church jacket. Maybe the Joker's been here. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. We had an awesome day off-roading. That Jeep did awesome. It's a trooper. The shocks are super good on it. The tires, not so much. Those BFGs slip a lot. A buddy of mine has Goodyear Wrangler. I don't know what they are, but he never slips. He literally never slips the tires, and I do a lot of slipping. So I'm thinking maybe a tire upgrade, although I like the white letters on the BFGs. Other than that, man, that thing did awesome. No hiccups at all. It just started kind of not going into first though, just barely. Please don't be broken. It might have been that burnout. I don't know. But other than that, super successful day. We had a great time off-roading. I love any chance I can get to improve my driving. When you're driving off-road, you work a lot of skills that you don't use in your normal everyday drive on the streets. So that's awesome. The flat's really fun. This is like 10 minutes away from my house, and there's so much to explore here. There's 2 trails that go off south, and they just go on forever. There's a bunch of trails in between back where we were at already, and so there's a lot to explore here. So maybe we'll do another video here in the future. But other than that, guys, ending the video here. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate that, and peace out.